Google, one of NVIDIA's largest customers, is now positioning itself as a formidable competitor, and the market is taking notice. NVIDIA has shed over $100 billion in market value since the reports emerged that Meta may be in talks to use Google's custom chips in its data centers by 2027. Let's look at the Gemini 3 statement out here. Now, Google's latest AI model, that is Gemini 3, represents more than just a product launch. It's a proof of concept out here. The model outperforms rivals, including OpenAI, on most of the benchmarks, and crucially, it was trained entirely on Google's own tensor processing units, that is TPUs, rather than NVIDIA's GPUs. For an industry that has treated NVIDIA silicon as an essential infrastructure, this is a significant demonstration. Google has been quietly building towards this moment for over a decade. The company began designing custom chips when its engineers calculated that a voice search feature used just for a few minutes daily would require doubling data center capacity. That early investment in efficiency has compounded. Google is now on the 7th generation of TPUs, and Jefferies estimates that the company will produce approximately 3 million units by next year, nearly half of NVIDIA's volume. This brings us to the economics of switching. The financial incentive to explore alternatives is substantial. Bernstein estimates that NVIDIA's GPU accounts for over 2/3 of typical AI server rack costs. Google's GPUs are priced between half and 1/10 of the cost of equivalent NVIDIA chips, a differential that matters enormously at scale. Bloomberg Intelligence also projects that Google's capital expenditure will reach $95 billion next year, with nearly 3/4 directed towards AI training and inference. Anthropic also recently announced plans to deploy up to 1 million Google TPUs in a deal that is reportedly worth tens of billions of dollars. And if Meta follows, it would signal that hyperscalers are increasingly willing to diversify their chip supply chain. However, we don't see NVIDIA panicking as yet.